No, this is not a clickbait, it really works. Unlimited card arbitrage. I'll be explaining how it works for you in a few moments from now. This will be part of a series of videos. This is part 1. Please ensure you watch the complete series before you go on to perform these arbitrage. It works, and unlike many other YouTube videos out there that really don't have contents to give at this time yet because of card arbitrage is gone for a while now, we would actually give you this. I'll be explaining the logic to you in this session. If this is your first time on this channel, hi. I'm Tony. And you at OMMICANGS. Stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video. If you have any questions with regards to any part of this session, you can leave them in the comments section below. We will try our possible best to answer most of the questions. But to get exclusive access to understand the arbitrage process better, there's an offer to be part of a premium circle. Wow. If you want to be part of the premium circle, reach out to Jarvis. The link to connect with Jarvis would be in the description box below. He would explain more to you. We have just 7 minutes to explain this part 1 of today's session on unlimited card arbitrage. Without wasting further time, let's get right onto it. In order for you to perform this arbitrage, we would be exploiting a loop that's in one of the very apps you know. If you are not new to the world of arbitrage, you would not be unfamiliar to this app right here. Recharge.com app. If you do not know Recharge.com app, just go to your Play Store or App Store and use the search feature to look for Recharge.com, just like this. You would have the Recharge.com app. I will not be explaining how to register and all other preliminaries in this session. Perhaps in a different one, but you don't really need to register or sign up or whatever. Let's just get right into the update. Let me show you how it works. Once you in the Recharge.com app, scroll up, navigate all the way down to payment cards. Remember, you don't need to sign up or register here. Next, tap on prepaid credit cards at the payment cards bar. For many persons that would be watching this session, this is not new to them, but if this is your first time, just follow the process. You'll get the hang of it. In the prepaid credit cards page, ensure the country is set to Nigeria. The card will be redeemed in Nigeria. You'll be purchasing the Mfinity e-voucher card. Let me highlight that. Mfinity e-voucher card. Don't worry, you'll get the whole idea behind this and have to say Tony is a genius. I know. OMMICANG is behind it all. Once you tap on Mfinity e-voucher card, another page will pop up. Ensure that on this page the country highlighted color blue by the top right-hand corner is Nigeria, NGN. The country to be used in still remains Nigeria, and the product currency should be USD. US dollar. Alright. Scroll down. We are buying Mfinity voucher of $200 US. Yes, I know your thoughts. Tony's not Nigerian. He doesn't know the drill. Dollar limit dealer. Don't worry, just follow the process. Tap on order for $200. You'll get a page to finish order. On this page you'll input your email in the sending to text field. You don't need to sign up. Just input a new email into that sending field every single time you want to carry out this arbitrage. For the payment method field, you can choose either MasterCard or Visa, whichever you'll be using. But for this case we will be using a MasterCard. Now, there are pros and cons to this arbitrage. Just ensure to watch part 2 of this series when we complete the process, alright? Select MasterCard or Visa, whichever card you'll be using. Let's just leave this at Visa as we won't be actually purchasing for now. Next, scroll up. This is where the arbitrage comes in. The promo code offer. Let me show you what is really happening. I'll proceed to set my currency to USD instead of NGN, so you grab the logic on this. We are running all calculations in dollars right now. We will buy same $200 US worth of Mfinity voucher. By standard pricing, when you buy a Mfinity voucher of $200 US, you'll be charged a service fee of $7 US and 99 cents, approximately $8. See that? Next, you have the option to enter a promo code. For those who have been into the RDC system, they understand the 10% off rule for RDC, and that's the main exploit and logic of today's session. If you would like to get a promo code to carry out this arbitrage, reach out to Jarvis in the description of this video and he'd gladly give you one for every single use. TNC, promo code requests are exclusive to Circle members only. You can also inquire from Jarvis for additional information on this. Total by cost, by default is $207.99, approximately $208. Yes, there's no arbitrage here if you buy at this price, as you would be paying at the standard black market price of USD for this arbitrage. The promo code is key. I'll go on to add the promo code right now and see what happens. I tap on add, and voila! Minus $20 out of the cart price. That's a profit margin. Now we only have to pay $187.99. Cool, right? That's because the promo code deducted $20 off the cart price, which is 10% of $200. Makes sense. Next, tap on Finish Order to check out and proceed to buy the voucher. You'll get a payment page to enter your card details and all. Those are baby steps. Now, let's talk about the card details you'll be using for this. Let's not waste time on it. Time ticking. That's where Pyypl comes in. If you are new to the arbitrage space, just head over to the App Store or Play Store, whichever store you on, and go search for Pyypl. You'll get an app like this. That's Pyypl. For explanations on how to sign up for Pyypl and be verified and all, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. We will try our possible best to attend to them all. If you would like to get a personal consultation on it, you might want to consider reaching out to Jarvis on how to become a Circle member. Once you have Pyypl, you'll have a virtual card domiciled in dollar to yourself. You can see your card details and all there that you'll be paying with on RDC. And just as a social proof, you'll notice we have made purchases on RDC with this card. We've tested it and keep using it. It's not just a simulation as others would show you. We have to blur out the amount because of cyberbullying. If you make YouTube contents, you will understand what I mean. It's that easy to perform this arbitrage. You fund your Pyypl card, use it on RDC using the 10% off promo code offer to purchase at a lesser price and go sell the voucher at a higher price. Don't worry. I'll show you where to redeem your Mfinity voucher at no cost in the next session. Don't miss it. Let's break down the logic. Here's how it all works. A little maths. Let's calculate. Initial charge equals $207.99 for the Mfinity voucher cards from RDC. But with the promo code usage, you get $20 out, which equals $187.99. Let's assume you funded Pyypl with $200. Once $187.99 or $188 is deducted, you have left roughly $12 profit margin. And it's unlimited. Technically, yes, it is, but the platform you're redeeming at might limit you to twice daily to redeem Mfinity voucher. So that's like $24 daily. Well, in this economy, who wouldn't settle for that as an added stream of income? It's super crazy. A single dollar rolling in daily would go a long way for many persons. Let's not talk of 24. Remember to be on the lookout for part 2 of this series on unlimited card arbitrage to get the complete concept before diving in. Also, if you would want to be part of the circle, reach out to Jarvis in the description below. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all you think would benefit from it. Also, never forget, nothing is beyond you. Always dare to dream. Once more, I am Tony, and you at OMMICANGS. Today's session was sponsored by Sir OMMICANG. Catch you on the next series release, and do have a most beautiful day.